Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening all. We are from group 3. We want to present our problem-based learning results for approximately 2 months. Before that, we want to introduce ourselves first. I, Sarah Natasha, as a moderator and the first speaker. Intan Bella Maulana as the second speaker. Cheresia Arta Simbolon as the third speaker. Herbert Sinorat as the fourth speaker. Tri Dinda Maira as the fifth speaker. And Andi Dia Nurmaisari as the last speaker. Now, we want to present our problem-based learning. Okay, introduction of Trans-Batam. Trans-Batam bus is means of transportation in the form of mass transportation operating in Batam City. This bus vehicle has been paving since 2004. At that time, the number of this bus fleet was only 7 units. Next, the vision and mission of Trans-Batam. Vision of the Technical Implementation Unit for Transportation Services is the realization of modern transportation in Batam City. Explanation: the vision is a condition that will be achieved by UPTD, Pelayanan Transportation Services, Trans Batam. Mission: the mission is, first, integrating between corridors throughout Batam City. Second, development of sea freight in the hinterland region. Third, provision of national standard transportation facilities and infrastructure. Fourth, providing the best service, a sense of security, comfort, affordable prices, and time certainty for transportation users. Okay, that's all from me. Next, Intan Bella Maulana, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Sarah, for giving me a time to presentate. Okay, I want to presentate about the intention, purpose, and service activities. First, intention. The intention of establishment of Regional Technical Implementation Unit, UPTD, for Transformation Service, Trans Batam. It's so that in transportation service, it can be more flexible and free in managing source, implementing public operation tax and financial management. Second, purpose. Every organization has goals that will be achieved in a certain time and target. Objective are vision statement that are spelled out in the mission of the organization. So the achievement of the key factor of the organization success. The goal in the nature is more concrete than the mission and lead to the bright spot and achievement the result. Next, the service activities of Trans Batam. Ticket revenue. Second, public passenger transportation service. Third, itinerary service. Fourth, securities and comfortable service. 5, travel and functionality service. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Intan. The next speaker is Cheresia Arta Simbolon. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Sarah. Okay, I will explain about basic principles. The basic principles developed so far are expected to support performance and improve service quality, namely togetherness, professionalism, honesty, openness, and discipline. Okay, about togetherness is about realizing that all work cannot be complete alone, so teamwork is needed. 2, so togetherness in service by prioritizing customer satisfaction. And 3, togetherness in joy and sorrow. 2, about professionalism. 1, work in accordance with applicable system and procedure. 2, willing to face challenging work. 3, challenging to the secret of the position. 3, about honesty. Is always uphold honesty. And 2, dare to state truth and error based on that and fact responsibility. 3, transparency and accountability in running the system. Okay, 4, about openness. Openness is open in expression and accepting opinion responsibility. 2, mutual respect and respect for the opinions of others. Okay, last is discipline. Discipline is about always enforce discipline to want yourself and the work environment. 2. Have sincerity in carrying out tasks. 3. Must comply with applicable regulations. Okay, next. Referensi composition of management, officer, and supervisory board of regional technical implementation units, transportation service. 1. Secretariat. 2. Operational and maintenance of Trans Batam Bus Rapid Trans or BRT. 3. School bus operation and maintenance. 4. Pioneering sea freight operation and maintenance. Based on Regulation Mayor Batam 26 of 2015, which has been revised to become Perwako number 9 of 2018, concerning establishment of implementing unit technical regional service or UPTD, serve transportation or Trans Batam in serve Batam City transportation. About structure is secretariat is about part finance and part source government and general. 2. About operational and maintenance of Trans Batam Bus Rapid Transit is 1. Division operational and division PET. 3. School bus operation and maintenance is operational division and division PET. 4. Pioneer marine transportation operation and maintenance is division operational and maintenance division. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Arta. Next is Herbert Sinurat. Time is yours.
Thank you, Sarah. Okay, next slide. Functions and duties of the managing officer. First, head of regional technical. Functions, responsible for general operations and finance of the implementing unit technical regional or UPTD service, service transportations or Trans Batam. Job descriptions. A. Leading, directing, fostering, supervising, controlling, and evaluate maintenance implementing unit activities technical regional or UPTD service, service transportations or Trans Batam. B. Prepare plan strategic BLUD business. C. Prepare plan business and budget or RBA. D. Purpose candidate office manager finance and office technical to regional head according to provisions. E. Seat office of order in accordance BLUD needs. In addition to officials who have set in accordance with regulations and legislation. Head of subdivisions of administration. Function. Have duty help head of implementing unit technical regional or UPTD service, service transportations or Trans Batam in doing affairs planning that includes personnel, finance, general, and implementing unit equipment technical regional. Job descriptions. A. Coordinate composing plan business and budget or RBA. B. Prepare budget implementation documents. C. Performing revenue and expenditure management. D. Organizing cash management. E. Manage account payable. F. Develop policies for the management of goods, fixed asset, and inventory. Third, finance department. Function. Has the task of assisting the secretary and responsible for the implementation and coordination of financial and treasury management, as well as the preparation of the budget plan of the implementing unit technical regional service transportation. Job description. A. Compilation and compilation plan budget routine regional technical implementation unit transportation service. Management, administration, payroll, and benefits. B. Implementation bookkeeping, accountability and source reporting, and coaching treasurers. C. Carrying out other tasks assigned by the secretary in accordance with the scope of duties and functions. That's all for me, and thank you.
Okay, thank you, Herbert. The next speaker is Tri Dida Maira. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Sarah. Okay, human resources and general function has the task of helping her of implementing unit technical regional service, service transportation in administration, secretary in responsible for administration, equipment, and host leader. Job description, number 1, implementation of personal administration management. Number 2, evaluate and prepare plan for employer need. Number 3, preparation of employer and inventory. Number 4, implementation of personnel. Number 5, management correspondent at the implement unit technical regional service. Number 6, implement of security order and cleanliness both wide and wide the regional technical implementation unit of transportation service Trans Batam. Number 7, management, maintenance and care of active confident. Next section of the Trans Batam BIS rapid transit function have obligation head of employment unit technical regional service civil transportation Trans Batam in maintenance of operation maintenance supervision control and schedule. Job description number 1, arrange plan and timetable operation and maintenance or BRT Trans Batam. Number 2, to do in-person readiness of the Trans Batam BRT bus fleet. Number 3, coordinate a timetable Trans Batam BRT bus of care with HR and general affairs section. Number 4, to do supervision to operation and maintenance of BRT Trans Batam bus. Number 5, to do control application timetable operation and maintenance in its BRT Trans Batam bus corridor. Number 6, prepare report development of operation and maintenance of the Trans Batam to BRT bus fleet of implements unit technical regional service transportation Trans Batam. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dinda. And next is Andidia Nurmaisari. Time is yours.
Thank you, Sarah. I will explain number 6 about school bus operation and maintenance section. The function of it is help obligation head of implementing unit technical regional service or UPTD serve transportation in Trans Batam in maintenance operation, maintenance supervision, control, and scheduling school bus operation. Job description: first, set plan timetable operation and maintenance of school bus. Second, to do inspection red lines of the school bus fleet. Third, there is coordinate timetable school bus steward with HR and general. Number 7 is operational and maintenance section of Pioneer Sea Freight. The function is help obligation head of implementing unit technical regional service or UPTD serve transportation Trans Batam in maintenance operation, maintenance supervision, control, and scheduling pioneering sea transportation. Job description: first, arrange plan timetable operation and maintenance of pioneering sea transport. Second, to do supervision to pioneering sea transport fleet operation. Third is take control of over application timetable pioneering sea transportation fleet operation. Operation and maintenance route for Trans Batam Bus Rapid Transit or BRT. Currently, there are 22 bus serving two main lines. First, Corridor 1, Skupang to Batam Center with a distance of 22.5 kilometers is served by 10 buses of a day. And 8 routes each a day has 24 bus stops. Second, Corridor 2, Batuaji to Batam Center with a distance of 22 kilometers served by 8 buses a day, 8 trips a day each, and has 20 bus stops. Have 3 transfer points. First, Tanjung Uncang in Vanindo. Second, Kupang in International Ferry Port. And third, Batam Center in International Ferry Port. And there is organizational structure of implementing units technical regional service or UPTD serve transportation in Trans Batam. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Dea, for the for your explanation. That's all from us. If you have any question, please write on in the comment. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.